Hello friends, welcome to Abhiyanvi tutorials. So today in this video we'll see how to change the file attributes of a sample file. For example, I have a file here. So I want to change these things: created, modified and accessed. Okay. So we can change these attributes using the Python script. Okay. So this is useful in our testing environment in our we are doing in testing in the office. Like you have a device and you are testing and you have to test the old logs. Okay. For example, old logs are not available in the your device. So and we have to do the testing. That time you can create the old files, log files using this script and you can do your testing. Okay guys, let us see the script. So you have to import the file data, pip install file data, then give the path of the file. Okay, this is my file. Okay, then file date dot file path dot set created modifier accessed. Okay, so here I have shown three formats. This is one format of giving date and time. This is one format of giving date and time. This is another format of giving date and time. So any date and time formats it will take. Okay guys. So right now if you see my file is 13th May 2024 11:06, right? And modified, accessed, or these are the timings. So I want to change these three. Okay, so whatever times you want to change you can give here. So I have given here 5 February 2003 or 5, or instead of 5 you can give 5th also. Okay, and if 3 if you are giving you can give 3 February or you can give 3rd February, like that. So it's flexible. Okay, so 3rd February 2009 and modified is 4th May 2009, and time is afterwards. If you want to give time in the beginning also you can give. Okay, and this is month, date, year format. Okay guys, let us run this script and see the output. Right, there are no errors. Then go to your file and check. Okay, so go to properties and see whatever we are given, those are coming here. February 3rd 2003, May 4th 2009 and August 7th 2014. Okay, so let's see here, compare here. So 3rd February 2003 12:30, 4th May 2009 3 o'clock, and 7th August 6:30 p.m. Okay guys, like this you can change the dates of the file and you can carry your testing if logs are not available in your device. Okay guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more such amazing Python videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.